Hey everyone, I wanted to tell you about a really cool feature that I just stumbled upon in Command. And basically what it is, it allows you to take a PDF and edit that PDF inside of Command, which is really useful. I know that there's been multiple times that I've saved something as a PDF and couldn't find the original Word file, and wanted to be able to edit that PDF to use in the future, and normally you have to pay a fee to like Adobe Acrobat in order to do it. So I thought it was really cool to find that feature in Command, and I'm just going to show you how to use it real quick because it could definitely come in useful for a lot of things, and I'll show you exactly what I used it for the first time. So in Command, if you don't know how to get to Command, agent.kw.com will give you your Command login. Log in using your regular information. Once you get to the main screen, as you see here, you're going to go down to Designs. Once you're in Designs, this is where all your designs are housed. You're going to go to Create Design. Now technically this is a print design that we're doing, so we're going to select Print, and we're going to select Continue. Now once we're in here, everything on the left is print designs you can create and edit and things like that. We're not going to focus on that. What we're going to do is we're going to click My Designs here at the top. And then the cool thing is right here is this Import PDF File button. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to click that, or you could click and drag and drop a file, but I'm on a PC, so I'm just going to click this. I'm going to pick a PDF that I have. I'm going to click OK. Now you can see at the bottom here it's uploading, it's checking fonts. So one thing that I've found with this is that it will not match the fonts 100%. I think that's just because they're using like free Google fonts on this and not actual fonts. So not a big deal, and I'll show you what I mean here in a second. So once it's been uploaded, you'll see it pop up in here, and you're going to double click that, and what's going to pop up is all your missing fonts. So what this is basically saying is the left hand side is these are all the fonts that are currently in the file that they detected, and the fonts on the right is what they want you to select. So the easiest way to do this is just hit Replace All, and then you're going to select one font for everything. And what you can do, I found that was easy, is if you take the name of this font and Google it, it'll actually show you exactly what it looks like. I'm going to use Open Sans because that's in there for sure. And I don't want bold, I just want regular. So what we're doing is replacing all these fonts that the system detected, and we're going to replace it with Open Sans regular, and you're going to hit Continue. Now the only other thing you have to worry about here is your PDF measurement unit. So obviously it's going to be inches, it's going to be 8.5 by 11. I'm not sure why you'd use these other ones, so just stick with inch probably is your best bet, and then hit Continue. It might take a second to load. This load quick. So here you go. This is what you have. You actually have a PDF. Now this is something I created when I was at Howard Hanna, and I couldn't find the original copy to it, but I wanted to be able to use it and not have to recreate it. So really cool thing with this is, we'll start at the top with the picture. Totally changeable. I don't have the picture in here that I was going to use, but if you click on the picture and you go to Images, you can then click on Add and actually add an image here. I do have some images in here, so I'm just going to go ahead and probably throw in, I don't know, this one, just so you can see that how easy it is to change. As long as you have this image clicked, you can come over here and you can use this Replace Image button, and it'll pop it right in there, which is really cool, and it'll keep the size constraints and everything. We come down here to the text, so obviously, here's one. Earnest deposit check make payable to Howard Hanna Real Estate. Well, clearly I don't work for Howard Hanna anymore, and I don't want people to send it there. So if you click on that specific text box that you want to edit, you come up here to the typewriter, and then you can change this. So I'm going to change it to Keller Williams Realty, and then save. And that's how easy that is. That changed that. And I can do the same thing down here with the address. Keller Williams Realty, 530 North Lock Willow, Harrisburg, PA 17112. So that changed that all out, and then even down here, then I would also change that to, I'll change it to Simple Home Settlements, because that's who I use. not going to put all that information in, but you kind of get the idea of how easy this is and how it works. And all of this is text boxes, so they're all different. Now, some of it you will see they will combine it, which I don't think is a huge deal. If you wanted to, like, say, delete this and put separate text boxes in, you can easily come up here, remove, and then you can go over to text and drag in a new text box. So very, very simple to do. Just thought that was a really cool technique. Once you're done, you can then, the cool thing is you could order prints of it if you wanted. You can share it or you download it. And typically what I would do is I would download it and I'd make it a PDF for printing and I'd hit download. So ultimately, there we go. You can edit your PDF file, make it another document, and then download it. Any questions, guys, feel free to reach out. I hope you found this informational. Thanks.